In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a call to action in Wistia. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place a clear, clickable prompt in your video so viewers know what to do next, whether that's visiting a page, signing up, or downloading something. Start by opening the video you want to edit. Log into your Wistia account, head to your media list, and click the video you want to work on. Once the video loads, look to the sidebar and select Customize. This opens the customization panel where all your interactive options live. Inside Customize, click Call to Action. This is the dedicated area for creating and managing your CTA. You'll choose the type first. Wistia offers 3 styles. Text is the simplest, just a short message that links to a URL. Image lets you upload a graphic that acts like a button, which is great for branded designs. HTML gives you more control with custom markup for a tailored look. Just remember it supports limited HTML and CSS, and any JavaScript will be stripped out for security. Next, configure what the CTA says and when it appears. Set the timestamp for when you want it to show up, like 30 seconds into the video. If you prefer, you can also adjust this visually by dragging the CTA icon along the timeline until it's exactly where you want it. Add your message if you're using text, or upload and select your image if you're using the image option. Then paste the destination link your viewers should go to when they click. Make sure your URL includes http:// or https:/ so the link works correctly. Decide how and where it should appear. Depending on the type you chose, you can present it as an overlay during playback or as a pause screen that stops the video and draws attention to the action. Think about the viewer experience on desktop and mobile and keep your message short, clear, and high contrast for readability. If you're using an image, aim for a design that stands out without covering important video content. For HTML, stay within Wistia's supported markup and consider accessibility by using concise, descriptive text. When everything looks right, click Save in the Customize panel. Saving locks in your CTA so it shows up on your video as intended. A strong call to action can dramatically improve engagement, so keep it relevant, make the next step obvious, and place it at a moment when viewers are most likely to act. That's all it takes to add a call to action in Wistia.